What's goody? We're back with another challenging CTF. Trojan PNGs back at it again. We're gonna have to change some images so that we can upload them and get root access to a server. So similar to a previous CTF that we did, but learning new things. So let's go. CTF time. Let's get right into it. Trickster. I found a web app that can help process images, PNG images only. Additional details will be available after launching. Let's launch. This reminds me of one we did previously where I would put a PNG image but then make it act like a PHP file. Let's see how this works. Let's find a random PNG image. What's happening? What just happened? Okay, screenshot.png. Upload. File uploaded successfully and is a valid PNG. We shall process it and get back to you. What do we have here? Head. File upload page. Body. It's a method post. And it accepts .pngs. Yeah, I think this a similar strategy as before is ideal, right? We just have a file which is .png. We change the payload to make it bad, and then we're sorted. Alright. I'm gonna try to do then what I did in that challenge because it seems literally the same thing. Before though, I will just quickly choose a file, see what happens in the console as I do these things. Choose file, add a screenshot, subnet in the network tab, upload, boom. Okay, this worked, perfect. And alright, yeah, I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna open Burp suit. I'm gonna intercept the request, change it up a little bit, doing whatever I want. Let's do that. Next, start Burp. Let's go. Let's go. In the meantime, oh, never mind. Proxy. I try to remember what exactly I did there, so if I can find that one. Yeah, it's not this one. Where did I do this? So I need to make a file called .htaccess and put it in. Alright. Let's try. Just a file like this. But this file needs to have something specific inside, and it is to tell to interpret it, right? So right now it's like this. It needs to have inside some code, which is going to be this one. Let's do that then. Boom. That's gonna, what is this gonna do? This is gonna do that this htaccess file is gonna tell us, okay, if there's a .png file, we're gonna treat it as an application PHP, which is exactly what we want to do if we want to execute code in the server. Now let's upload that file, if it works, which hopefully it will. Go on Linux. Where is it? .htaccess, where are you at? It's not here. Or it is. Whatever, man. Upload. Error, file name doesn't contain .png. That's a problem. That's a problem. So I assume it's not in there. I assume it's not in there. Okay, so this htaccess thing is not working too well because, yeah, it's checking that it's actually got a .png ending. It's multi-part form data that could have some influence. But yeah, it only accepts .png. What if I just do .htaccess.png? Would that work as the htaccess file? Yeah, because all we need to do is execute some code, which in the other case, in the other CTF, what I did was I literally just added some PHP code right in the image. Yeah, and in the request itself, I just added an image. But here I set content type image slash PNG, so maybe that's how maybe that's what I can do. Truly. Yeah. And then I put the PHP inside of a .png. Yeah, we can try. We can try. Maybe that's why it didn't work. Yeah, we cannot do that for the htaccess. Let's try then with the burp suit. I'm gonna go on burp suit. I'm gonna turn on intercept after I click upload. So I'm gonna first add a random image. Should work with a random image. I hope. Whatever, random image. Turn on intercept, upload. Why is there nothing here? What? Why is there nothing here? What is happening? Okay, because I need to use the browser, don't I? Yeah, I need to use the browser. I need to copy this into the browser. This browser. Put it here. Use a specific Burp suit browser. And now I can just choose a random file. like before. This one, and I'm gonna turn on intercept so that now when I upload, it's here. The content type is sure. I'm gonna do this and delete the whole content. Oh, it's big. I'm gonna delete it though. It's an actual image, right? So it's gonna be. Should have probably known before this. It's gonna take a long time, man. I'm gonna wait though. Next time I can just have a file called like whatever.png just to hurry up the process. But for now, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Gotta get quickly done with this, so we need to hurry up. Boom, 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 boom. Stuff a bit left. Making sure I don't delete any important thing at the end, which is a form boundary. But here I'm gonna add the actual code which tells me, hey, you're gonna treat this like a PHP file, which is this, and hopefully it will work. If not, we're gonna have to try something else. So yeah, the content will have this. We've got an image file, but we just changed the name to htaccess, and the content will have this. Alright. Now I need to name is file, what? I think here it's different. Here it's name equals image. I mean, sure, it doesn't really matter. I think the name. I'm gonna forward and see what happens. I think, was it here? File name does not contain .png. That didn't work. That didn't work. I'm gonna try one more time quickly. First of all, with another image. Hopefully this is less image. Yeah, hopefully. Turn off intercept. I should turn it on. Upload. I've got Burp suit here. Oh no, not in this one, my bad. In this one. The one which is actually using the Burp browser, so I'm gonna do this. Intercept on. Upload. Got this. The PNG is smaller, which is what I wanted. Perfect. Nice little delete this. Paste what I had. I'm gonna name this image. I don't think it's gonna change anything though, but we can try. Ooh, look at that. Warning, what is happening? Warning under find array key file in. Oh, okay, yeah, that's because now I changed the thing to be called file in the request. Yeah, image instead of file, and it's messing up with some code, but that's not the way to solve it, and this doesn't really give us any hints. The issue is that we need to add some .png, I'd say. Yeah. So how do we trick it? We do a .png file, but then that thing does bad stuff. I have a different input field which requires .png file extension. Yeah, this .png is quite annoying, but that's basically our way through. I can try seeing if I can find anything, but the strategy I see is just having a .png file with some nasty stuff inside. This time we don't have the htaccess method to interpret them as PHP files. We're trying to bypass this PNG. I can think of is we make like a inside we add some PHP code like get command or whatever. Basically what we did before. Yes, exactly. We cannot use the upload and run method. So I name my attack shell.php.png. With this, I upload it and I try to access it. Okay, actually, good point. I do need to check if there's some routes, right? If there's like uploads or something. I don't have permission for this. Like, what routes do we have? You know what I mean? If I have like some routes, I could just play around. If I put this image, PNG, I upload it. If I upload it successfully, sure. Yeah, I need to somehow know what routes we've got, but we shall process it. What do you mean by that? What's the processing that's happening, right? I guess we try. We try. Shell.php.png. I put this inside. And I upload the file is not a valid PNG image. Wait, so that actually worked. It's just it doesn't see it as an image inside. Okay. .php.png uploads, but it sees that the content isn't a PNG. How do I fake this? Because for GIF I knew there was a way to do it. Let's see if we can fake the image. Step by step, guys. Step by step. I know that I use AI quite a lot. I personally see it as a good thing, right? Like, it's just faster, and these are the type of things like I don't know how to fake that an image is a PNG. That's something I'm learning. So let's check it out. Get a sample PNG. Okay. Create the payload. Create a text file named code.php. Oh, okay. Now you just merged them with a cat command. Okay, that's actually easy. Alright, alright. For that I need to do that, I need to copy something. Okay, I'm gonna copy an image I have in downloads into here so we can mess around. So I'll just move it. C/C/user/boom/ this to should be here now. Is it here? Yes. Now I do cat like this shell 2.php.png, and it's basically is going to merge those and put them in one file, just as it says here. And now I'm going to try. I'm going to go here, choose a file, this one, upload it. File uploaded successfully. Perfect. We basically got in. Now the issue is actually figuring out how to interact with the get command. Is it just a normal command line argument? Like, do I just do no? Optional. Okay, no, that's not working. That's not working. Yeah, I inject the code. How do I interact with the shell as I don't know any? Because beforehand we need the route, so we could easily do what is listed above here, which is I could easily before do, where is this? Command equals ls, for example, from that image. But here I don't know where the image is located, that's the issue. I need to know the URL of the image. Okay, so maybe it, in the success URL I might be lucky. So when I upload an image, I'm gonna go back to Burp Suite to try this. Let's say I upload an image, whatever image, intercept, turn that off. I'm gonna choose a file, any image works. Intercept it, upload like this. Now I'm gonna forward, post, response. Error, that was the old one, this one. Response. File uploaded successfully and is a valid PNG. We shall process it and get back to you. It doesn't say anything of where it gets located, right? Success. Just a success. It doesn't Yeah, no, that's the issue right now. Because right now we've uploaded a malicious file successfully. Just need to figure out where the hell is it. Not found. Not found. Not found. Not found. Maybe it's slash images. Let's try. Let's try different things. Uploads. No. It is forbidden, but maybe that means the resource exists then. Yeah. Slash uploads is forbidden. That means it actually exists, but we cannot access it. Yeah. So how do we access it? Let's think ourselves. We've got a route which is absolutely forbidden. So yeah, we probably need the root access for that. Yeah, that's that's what it is. It's just a 403, right? Yeah, it's 403. Forbidden. You don't have permission to access resource, which makes sense. How do we get access? I'm thinking maybe we put a header. But I already have dead access. Yes, I don't think there's another one. So yeah, right now, what stage are we at? We have the script is in there, but we have no way to access it because uploads is forbidden. Maybe there's another way to do it. Maybe we aren't supposed to access uploads. Maybe the script needs to by itself already do something without me needing to interact with the shell, right? Just do like a bunch of commands which do like search for the flag in the root and just cat it and done and show it here. I feel like that's too deep. File uploaded to whatever. But yeah, the upload logic, I'm pretty sure like let's go back to the source code. If I go here and I go into the logic, the logic itself doesn't seem to be here. Okay, I just moved around some things, but yeah. The issue is if I go on the success I got before, the response doesn't really say anywhere how it's renamed. It's crazy, which is really crazy. So there's no hints in that sense. Yeah, maybe the .png. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe access the shell. I can't locate it. No hints in the success message. And I get a 404 when I... No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. I was using the wrong name. I was using shell, not shell 2. Done. Too good. Too good. Hold up. We're going crazy. We're going crazy. We're going crazy. Where is this? Boom. Command equals whatever. Huh? What's going on? Oh, no, no, no. I'm gonna have to redo everything. Ah. Well, I already have the file, so I just need to upload it. I just need to upload it. I'm gonna upload my thing. Let's recap just to see. So this is basically a thing which has .php, .png. Since it ends in .png, this marks it as fine. It also checks the content inside, but I've actually got an image in here, and only at the end do I have the malicious script, which will hopefully work. I uploaded it. I found that uploads is the route, and I just do shell2.php.png, and here it is. Now what do? I'm gonna interact with the shell. Will it work? Hopefully. Not like this. ls. What can I do? The issue is I don't see. When I run commands, I still only see the image. I don't see anything showing me anything, right? And if I inspect, is there a way to see? How about the title? Maybe in the console, like if I do ls like this. Or network. What? That's crazy. That's crazy. Trying to interact with the server, but right now having some issues. Because I just see the PNG. Maybe I'm somehow interacting with it, but I don't see it. This is source. Boom. I just see the image. I just see the image. The command doesn't do anything. I'm typing the command right? It's just as a query parameter. Optional. Should be. Let's find it. Let's find it. Let's find it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, it's like this. It's just. Ooh, local file inclusion. What is this? I uploaded a poisoned image, and I need to tell the main website to include the image into its own code. And I need to point the parameter to my uploaded file. Interesting. Oh, okay, because the include function in PHP executes any file. Could be. And append x.php to the end. Steps back to shell.png, and due to the bug decides, well, the URL is in .php, so I guess I should execute this image as .php code. Okay. Cannot execute the .png file on this server. So these are the two last chances I got. LFI trigger. Page equals. Why not? Although I don't see that. But yeah. Does that work? I don't think so, right? Page equals. Yeah, no. Slash index.php. I don't think index.php even exists. What's happening here? Can't really do that, right? Yeah, no. Like, this clearly gives me the image, but then I can't do anything with it. It's very strange. So it doesn't have this bug. File upload is just a setup. Local file inclusion. I uploaded a poisoned image, and I need to tell the main website to do this. I haven't tried yet. The classic end in PHP save as PHP trick. I already tried this. Maybe like this. Apache trick, that's what I'm dealing with. Maybe that works. If I haven't tried this yet, it's the classic end in PNG, save as PHP trick, file name in burp, shell.php, 00.png. Oof. So I could try with Burp to do that. Why not? Why not? Let's try. I'm gonna open it. What's the port now? 65130. Is intercept on? Yes. I'm gonna choose a file. I'm gonna choose my trusty shell script. Home. Me. Boom. Oh no. The firewall's already kicked in. The antivirus has already kicked in and it's destroyed my script. I'm gonna have to remake it. Will this work if I do this? And I do. Hopefully. Oh my days. Virus, it says. My computer thinks I'm too dangerous. That's actually funny. I'm gonna need to... I don't know what I can do now. I guess I delete all of them. I don't know, man. All of them got deleted. Wow. I'm gonna... which is new. The antivirus was put in some work. Hopefully it works now. Where was the code? It was just this, right? It was just this. Pretty sure. Slow PHP system get command. This one. Please tell me you're gonna let me use the script. Antivirus, don't be that good. That's so annoying. My antivirus is flagging the script. Yeah, I know what to do. I'll just upload this one over here. Now I'll write the other stuff. Whenever I intercept, I write the other stuff. So I intercept, I upload. Now I can go play with it. So got it here, right? It's this. Let's just do shell.php.png. That was it, right? Actually, no, it's .php, and here I would put for starters. I need to add this at the end or somewhere, maybe at the beginning, anywhere where it works. Then I need to try different file extensions. %00 without the dot. .png. Let's go. Not a valid PNG image. Damn. Damn. The issue might be precisely that. Alright, put an image. Like if I cat two files, like if I say cat, just test a.txt, and I say what the hell is this? Test c.txt test 2. If I do this, okay, it's in a new line. So yeah, I just added at the end the command. That's what was happening now. I do this, I turn this on, and I upload it. Go back here, shell.php %00. Is that it? Not sure what that does, honestly. But if it works, it works. .png. Now I'm going to add at the end of all of this the contents of the shell stuff. It's going to be right at the end over here. Forward. File uploaded successfully. At where? At, yeah, shell. Wait, no way. No way I figured it out. What is this strategy doing of the %00? Because I should be able to find it. So I need to, it has to be somewhere. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. So where is it? Is it, wait, don't tell me the instance is gone. No, this is still running. Not found. So what is it? So I uploaded it, but I didn't upload it. I don't get it. Let's upload it with a different name, then try again. It's getting annoying. I choose the file. This one. It's in downloads too. I'm gonna get it from there instead. Oh no, because I moved it. Damn. Could have used another one honestly, but let's just go here. Not upload. First intercept. Now upload. Now tweak it. I'm gonna S. Let's just do s.php %00.png. Whatever that does. I'm gonna copy at the end the malicious command. And I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna forward it. Yes. File uploaded successfully. Intercept is off. Let's access it. Uploads .php.png. Not found. Where is it? It's not here too. So this is very confusing. Ooh. Ooh. What does this mean? Or is it... No. No, that didn't work. But I do this, and now it... What? I'm so confused. PHP.png. What if it's just .png? I did no byte injection, and now I can't find the file saved in the RAM. It's not by the name anymore. It's not by the name. I go on Burp suit history like the last ones, upload. Well, this was me just trying to find it, but I got a responsive success. But we can't find the file. So where the hell is it? The file system shell.php. Okay. The server might have sanitized the no byte. Okay. Yeah, it's probably sanitized it. So we're gonna try a different strategy. I'm gonna try the Apache trick, which is shell.php. This one right here. This trick. Or I'll try this first. png.php. Let's try it. Gotta try the different methods, right? Try is the strategy. Like this. Let's just do that. And we're gonna copy the code forward. It uploaded successfully as well. So as long as it's okay, that's cool. That's good for us. Slash uploads slash ooh, what's happening here? Parse error. What if now I do when I uploaded .png.php it says syntax error, expected the identifier begin. Identifier begin. I'm gonna see what's up. Meantime, so we did png.php, which seems to be doing something new. Or if not, maybe the Apache trick. Maybe the Apache trick is the way. I can try it. What do I have now? I have here, let me try the png.php. So the server accepted it. The server is trying to run my file as PHP. Okay, perfect. The only problem is that the code is broken. Need to re-upload the file with valid PHP code. Ooh, okay, maybe this GIF will be enough to treat it. Think that it's a... Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's go ahead. Maybe just the GIF will be enough for it to think that it's a PNG. Intercept is off. Let's go back here. Yeah, this is certainly a tip. Like if you're doing stuff, always change stuff in Burp Suite instead of having malicious scripts in your computer, because then your antivirus is going to complain. This is the one I'm doing now, right? .png.php. Got a bit decentered there. png.php. Yes. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna say bye bye PNG and hello bad script, which hopefully will be allowed. Right, this. Let's see what it says. Huh. Why is it taking so long? Why is it taking so long? What? I don't know what's happening. I actually don't know what's happening. It's just stuck or something. What? Let's retry. I don't know what was happening there. I don't know what happened. Boom. This. Intercept is on. Upload. The PHP here. PHP. Gonna delete this. Like this. And forward. Forward. Ah! Not valid PNG. Yeah, the issue is the GIF is not enough to make it think that it's a PNG, I'm pretty sure. I go back to Burp and I go to the history. Yeah. Modify the request. Yeah, the issue is we need to have like something that looks like a PNG, but then it acts like a script properly, and that's where we're stuck, kind of. But yeah, like we're nearly there. Probably gonna have to restart the web app, but we're nearly there. Burp Suite is goated. Burp Suite really is goated. Like it solves pretty much every issue. Huh? Wait. What is it saying? I'm gonna create a Trojan horse. Do not try to type the headers manually. Find a valid PNG. I create my PHP code file. That's what I did before though. Just try a different base PNG image. Okay, so apparently, let's just try a different image which doesn't intercept. Yeah, that's a good point actually. That's a good point. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna try a different image which hopefully doesn't intercept. So I have this. Hopefully I still got some time. Do I still got some time? Before the server dips. I just gotta try different images. Like straight up like 20 different images. This one. Let's go. Intercept is on. Upload. a.png.php. Damn, bro. Loads a.png.php. Yeah, this is the issue. I keep getting issues because I'm treating it as a PHP, but there's PNG stuff in there. Surely there's a way to comment out. I'll figure that out, but we're pretty much done, I'd say. Gotta restart the instance. Relaunching it. Nearly figured it out. Tricking Trojan PNG. This is pretty similar to the other challenge. Just slightly different restrictions. Where is this? (51101). Okay, let's go. That one didn't work either. Maybe this. Let's try. Okay, turn on intercept. This is the power of Burp, so you can basically do whatever you want with packets. Like say, see this packet, I'm just gonna say a.png.php, a.png.php, go all the way down, and hopefully not getting any parsing errors like this. Forward successfully. Upload slash a.png.php. Damn, it's always these errors. This one nearly didn't have an error, but it still had an error. I'm gonna try a few more. If not, there has to be a way to comment these out. It's just getting annoying at this point. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let me try this component. Yeah, sure. Forward. And I need to intercept like this. Whoa, I think we managed because there's no error. Undefined something. Key command. Perfect. It's the only thing that's missing. Perfect. Boom, equals command equals ls. Surely, if I scroll at the bottom, I get it. Fatal error. Yeah, it's not. Oh, I'm dumb. What is this? Yeah, look at that. Look at these two motherfuckers. Yeah. CD dot dot. Let's see what we see. Actually, no. ls dot dot. Can I do that? I think I can. Yes. I think I just need to go one back. Or is it that weird text file? I'll just go one more back. That's dot dot slash dot dot. It's usually at the root the flag, so. Huh? Actually, no. Let's go one forward. Cat dot dot slash instructions dot txt. Let's create a web app. Whatever. Okay, whatever. What was the other one? They had a weird name. I'm gonna try to find it again. It's dot dot. It's gonna be complex. This file. This has to be the flag now. Cat. Tell me this is the flag. Yes! Look at that. There we go. We got there. They renamed the flag this time. It wasn't a flag.txt. Cheeky guys. There we go. Boom. That is, I'd say, a bit trickier than the last one because we had to choose the right PNG. It was mostly luck at the end, but yeah, that's it. We did a bit of Trojan PNGs again. This time we had to flip the file extension and do a few changes compared to the other one, but that was pretty nice to do. So hope you enjoyed. See y'all in the next one. I'm out.